Okay guys, good afternoon. So David and I are just walking along this side of Festive Walk. So, we kind of like the artwork right here on the wall, like this one. So what do you think? What kind of artwork is this?
I like this one. This one's an actual artwork.
Yeah.
I think it's a tiger or something.
Yes,
Definitely.
tiger or a lion or something. So we're gonna walk further.
So I think there's like a new bar.
Yeah, I think
It just
so.
opened like not so long ago.
Drink SLS.
Yeah. It's a great place to hang out though. I want to see what it's like.
Yeah. It's more like a brandy and stuff.
Yeah. I think this is like another Korean barbecue restaurant right here.
Yeah. And to my right is, I think they're doing some decorations over there.
Oh no, I was wrong. It's not a Korean restaurant. Korean community.
Yeah, it's a
Association.
Korean United Community Association or something.
Yeah.
Then we have this
Fit and white. Fit and white or fit white?
it's like
I don't know. It's like a spa or something.
it's like a spa or a beauty.
Or like a massage.
Yeah, besides they have the rates, but
And they have a coffee shop downstairs.
yeah, I think they're setting up for
For an event?
an event or a food festival or something.
100%.
Okay, so this is, I think, the end. No more stalls in here. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.